Alright, I need to lose some fat for the summer, so here it is. 10 best ways to lose fat. Number 1, caloric deficit. Consume fewer calories than you burn. Aim for a deficit of 300 to 500 calories below your maintenance level. Don't go starvation mode. It will slow your metabolism, less caloric burn, and lead to rebounds. There's also a thing called BMR, basal metabolic rate. Just sit and breathe, you burn calories. That's BMR. Increase BMR, you increase caloric deficit. I will show you how to increase BMR in the coming steps. Number 2, eat more proteins. Makes you feel full for longer than fats and carbs. Makes you keep good muscle. Eat protein, then your body does not burn muscle for fuel. Aim for 1.6 grams to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Protein sources: lean meats like chicken breast, seafood like salmon, eggs, and dairy like yogurt. Plant proteins: legumes like lentils, soy products like tofu, whole grains like quinoa, nuts like almonds. There's also supplements: whey and casein, protein powder. Winner of the best protein source for fat loss: egg whites and white fish. Number 3, lift them heavy weights. Cardio burns calories, lifting changes your metabolism forever. The one we talked about, BMR, lifting increases BMR. Lift, then you burn more calories while you sit on your couch. Very good. Number 4, master volume eating. If you can eat less food, then do it. But I fail every time I try to eat less food, so I eat more food that is less energy dense. Not more cruciferous veggies like broccoli, constant chewing, your mouth never bored. Fill up your 50% plate with veggies, you feel full with lower calories. Number 5, increase NEAT, N-E-A-T, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Gym only 1 hour a day, other 23 hours matter more. Includes walking, standing, moving. Aim for 7,000 to 10,000 steps a day. This burns more fat over time than 3 intense HIIT, high intensity interval training sessions a week. Just for your information, until 7,000 steps, you get an exponential gain to your health. From 7,000 steps on, incremental health gain, not so exponential. Number 6, prioritize sleep. Lack of sleep spikes ghrelin, hunger hormone, tanks leptin, the fullness hormone. Sleep deprived, you want sugar and fat to make up for the lack of energy. Willpower very difficult when sleep deprived. Stop your num-num with more sleep and getting rid of tiredness. Number 7, cut liquid calories. No sodas, no fancy lattes, no alcohol. Calories-packed drinks does not trigger your fullness signals in the brain. Switch to water, black coffee, and unsweetened tea. This drops easy 300 plus calories a day without feeling hungrier. Number 8, limit ultra-processed foods. Processed snacks are made to bypass your I'm full signals. Whole foods win. Like meat, eggs, fruits, and veggies. Go for it 80% of the time and lose weight. Number 9, manage stress. Stress leads to high cortisol. Cortisol make body to store fat, especially visceral fat like beer belly. Lower stress, less cortisol, less fat storing. Use meditation, walking, and hobbies and makes your nerves stronger. Number 10, consistency is better than perfection. One bad meal is okay. One good meal not make you lean. The winner, 80% consistent for a year. Easy to fail if always aiming for 100% consistency. Don't be like Mark, trying 100% consistency for 2 weeks and then quits. Thanks for watching.